How to change Snapchat profile picture. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device. And then tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left of the screen to go to your profile page. Under your profile name, go to your public profile. And here, in your profile, there is an option to add your profile or to edit your profile. Tap on it. And now you can choose an image from your camera roll. Select a photo from your camera roll that you want to add as a profile picture in your Snapchat. Now once you have selected or taken a photo, you may be able to adjust its size and position. After adjusting, tap on Save or Set as Profile to confirm. And with that, your Snapchat profile will be changed. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.